you get the actual case itself, so this is the rose gold that looks really pink, if you guys can see. But if you guys see it in person, it's actually pretty rose gold, but it still looks pretty pink just because of the lighting and everything. But everything is basically the same thing. It's a waterproof case, definitely feels really nice, if you guys can hear. They do have the slot right here to put it onto a keychain or whatever, just like the other one as well. And they have the little logo here as well on the actual zipper. Just open up. Alright, so that's basically what the inside. So this is basically what it looks like if you can see. So when I tilted like this angle, you can see a lot more of the rose gold color. But I definitely like the color on this as well. But everything is basically the same. So like the same touch control. The increased volume, lower the volume, play and pause button. And then the rewind button and forward buttons all the same. And then the buttons here are all the same as well. So the aux port slot right here, the TF card right here, and also the micro USB slot right here, and the power button activated as well as here. And then the bottom is obviously the speaker right here and see as well. And then they also have the anti-skate material here on the bottom to help it prevent it from moving or whatever. So that's basically what both these look like if you can see. Now let's actually test it out to see how it performs. I'm just going to test out one of them because both of them are basically the same thing. So I think I'm going to use the pink one so you can see a little bit better than the black one, because the black one you guys can't really see it. So all we have to do is press this button right here on the back to activate it. Alright, so it turns on and pair onto my device. Okay, so it's connected. Alright, so this is what it sounds like. So I want to increase the volume and lower the volume. I just press this button right here and hold it. Alright, so that's the maximum. So that's the maximum volume that you guys can set on the actual device itself. But you guys can actually increase the volume on the actual phone or your MP3 player or whatever you guys are going to be using. So I'm going to increase the volume. Alright, let's test out some of the button controls here. Alright, so that can play and pause the music. And then when I skip the song, go back to the previous song. Alright, so I can see that does work and it works quite well. But definitely like the overall performance on this product, you guys can hear that sounds amazing. It has a really good audio, really good bass, but it's not like a strong bass to the point where it overpowers audio, and it doesn't have like a strong audio where it overpowers the bass. It's just right if you guys heard the actual test itself. Another thing that's really cool about this product is the fact that it uses the Bluetooth 5.0. So that means it can actually pair much faster than like other products that are Bluetooth 4.0 or anything lower than 5.0. And the range for the Bluetooth, that means actually is much longer than the older versions of the Bluetooth as well, which is pretty awesome. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are actually pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a portable speaker to bring with you guys, maybe for hiking, traveling, just for adventures or whatever, or if you guys just want to get this as a gift as well, you can definitely get these as a gift. And the performance of the speaker and the bass on here is actually really nice.